Hey friends, very good morning. Welcome to FxYogi. In today's video, let's learn about the introduction to MetaTrader 4. First, you should know that MetaTrader 4 (MT4) is simply a trading platform used by tons of traders and brokers. Traders use it to view real-time currency prices, open or adjust orders, get technical and fundamental analysis. Meanwhile, brokers use the MT4 platform to reach a broader audience. What is good about the MT4 platform is that it offers both loads of currency pairs and indicators that you can choose from. Not only that, but its customizable charts are so newbie friendly that any 6-year-old kid can spot breakout patterns from it. Mechanical traders can also plug in their EAs in the MT4 platform. This makes it easy for them to track trade opportunities. The MT4 platform can't be accessed through a website though. You have to install the platform on your computer or on your phone before you can gain access to your trades in currency prices. Want to open your account now? Here is how. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Set up your MT4 account. Download and install mt4.exe. Carefully fill in the account details. Step 2. Record your account details. Record and keep a copy of your account login information before exiting the registration process. With MT4, you are able to create and access multiple accounts without exiting the program. Please pay attention to which account you are using before placing trades and orders. As much as we would like you to go forth and make live pips, we highly encourage you to try demo trading first. This way, you will get the feel of that platform without putting any of your hard-earned capital at risk. Besides, unlike in live trading, you can always add to your capital or open a new one if you blow out your account or if your demo account expires. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.